The LaFerrari replacing 2025 Ferrari F250 hybrid supercar Spied, and it looks more like a production model than ever before. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. Now, it's not very often where Ferrari releases a new Halo car, so when images of the firm's next flagship landed, well, you're gonna be a little excited, right? These images come from Auto Evolution, and the car you're looking at will serve as a spiritual successor to the hybrid LaFerrari and sit above the SF90 Stradale in the company's portfolio. Now, this is not the first time we've seen the upcoming flagship Ferrari, currently known as the F250. Prototypes have been spotted near Ferrari's Italian headquarters numerous times over the past year, but all have been adorned with fake bodywork and towering rear wings. Now, the prototype is different as the production body is believed to be hidden beneath the black body cladding. Many of the car's key design details are shielded from view. However, look at the front fascia and you'll notice that beneath the black cloth is a large grille with a center spire that appears to rise from the splitter. The car also has two large air intakes on either side of the grille. The nose of this prototype is very low and the bodywork gently flows up and towards a pair of sharp headlights. Now, a perforated area on the hood, which appears to be zipped in place, is probably hiding aerodynamic air extractors. And Ferrari's new hypercar is also appearing to sport butterfly doors like its predecessor, and this prototype is rocking a set of absolutely massive carbon ceramic brakes with the rear calipers that seem to be just as big as those up front. Now, there's plenty going on at the rear too, found in the center of the single tailpipe, similar to what is found on the 296 GTB and GTS. Now, the car also sports an aggressive diffuser with giant aerodynamic vanes to help stick the rear axle to the pavement. Now, those powertrain details, well, they're a mystery, but the F250 will inevitably adopt some form of hybrid powertrain, but it's unclear whether it'll be a V6 or a V8. One option that seems to be off the table is a naturally aspirated V12, meaning that the engine will be reserved for the Purosangue 12-cylindry and any limited run models Ferrari may choose to launch. Now, the Spied photographers say that the production of the new car will be capped at 599 units, and Ferrari should then follow the standard model with the Aperta limited to around 199 units and an XX version that should spawn 30 examples. But with that said, are you guys excited for the LaFerrari successor? And do you notice anything else I didn't mention about what could be the finalized bodywork we're seeing here today? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. Check the links in the description if you want to help further support the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.